guys, I never saw you there. Anyway, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be playing some games about each one will be 5 minutes each. So guys, the first game, what we're going to play today is Sonic Dash. So we're going to open this game. It's a really good game. I used to play this when I was about 3. So let's get into it. Let me just open the app and let's go. So guys, let's go on the game. Oh yes. So guys, we're making it through this little tiny thing now. Now let's, how do you do this? Alright, just swipe across there. Boom. Oh, what's that little duck egg there? Oh, a fish. Same with the fish's eye. Now let's go down and get them rings. Yes, now jump over there. Jump, dash it. Oh, I just ran straight through them. Oh, all of them points just came to me. Let's go. Oh, I done a great job, guys. Oh, I got 4 bonus points. Right, let's move on to another game. Here we go. Let's go build. Oh, I built a ship. Sick. Let's go. Okay, let's play. Here we go. Oh yeah, it's dash. Oh, swipe the side. Get all these rings. I'll just swap sides. If I can get to 100 rings, you have to subscribe. Okay, let's go through them. Oh, I've got a bubble to protect me. Let's go through there. Oh, I'm happy that bubble was there because I nearly striked. Oh, what just happened there? Oh yeah, I just got striked by that thing. Right, swipe across. Oh, yeah, love you, Sonic. Yes. Here we go. Whoa, it fell. Hang on, doesn't add. Let me just. Okay, guys, we made it from the ad, so let's play another game. Right, so that's how I roll, that's how I jump. Right, dash, that's dash. That's dash, guys. Oh, so now if I can get 100 rings, you need a subscribe. I think I'm probably going to get 63. Comment down below how many you think I will get. Oh, nice turn. Through the rings. Up where the shark was. 67 rings. Let's go. Oh, and I made it to the end. Ooh, I'm flying up in the air like I just don't care. Right, swipe down, swipe up, swipe across again to the right hand side. Oh, 10 rings to start off with. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Dash in 3, 2, 1, 2! There's a slug right there, or a snail. I don't know what it was. I was going too fast. Oh, jump. Oh, there, the laser eyes there. Jump. Yeet. Oh, let's go. Oh, get some rings. Go through the middle path. Not just right, not just wrong, just in the medium. Go underneath that log, nice and smoothly. Let's go. Oh, what just happened there? I just got hit by that thing. It was a crab. A crab hit me. I'm never surprised if that happens again in my life. Oh, frontage roll. Oh, yes. Let's go, Sonic. And I just fell into the cliff. Okay. Right. 5 minutes is up, so let's go back on the home page. So, guys, let's move on to the next game. It's Glow Air Hockey, I think. Right, let's get started. Laser air hockey. Okay, 1 player playing. Why do I need to give this a race? I've just started. Oh, nice score. Do you think that should be the blue? Oh, guys, the score at this game is so very good. Guys, it's Illumination. You know what the game is? Minion Rush. Right, let's go. Ooh, guys, the Minion's teaching their class and he said, let's go and do a rush. We're on a mission. Get it? On a mission. On a... Right. People burst. Oh, what a swing from their friends. Oh no, there's a robber. Oh. I'm probably going to think I'm probably going to get hit lots of times here. Oh, jump over the bananas. I mean, the Minion can't jump as much as Sonic, but he can jump high enough. And just a sick frontage roll from the Minion. Bananas, we've done 270 speed. I can't keep up, it's that fast. Oh. Yeah, now we've done 300. Let's go. 300. Yes, we're at 300. Oh, now we're really high, but let's continue the game. Go up this. Oh, why does he keep going? He's doing this control. Ooh, I think I might mess up here. Oh, front of the door. Oh, that was sweet front of the door. Oh, that was close. Mission complete. Let's go. He's bouncing so high. He's feeling like he just won an athlete. Being serious, guys. It feels like he won an athlete race. Oh, now he's got a prison cap. Contam loves you so. Minions, the Rise of Gru. It's really good. We went to see it in June, I think, or maybe July. I'm not quite sure. Probably July. So mixed up with the months. Anyway, new song. Flex comes out September the 3rd. So, hope you're excited for that. A roll. Let's go. Oh, boom. Oh, banana vacuum. Oh, I'm just crashing into another Minion. Oh, that was dangerous, guys. Okay. Minion's there. Oh, see the bananas. Oh, right. Banana vacuum. Boom, right through there. Bananas. Why did I say bananas? What's happened to him there? Why did he just come shooting down? Okay, he's turning around. Oh, electric shock. Right, he's going through. We're at 8 minutes and 5 seconds. Oh, another electric shock. Okay, he turned around. Why was he flashing? Oh, I wasn't looking there. Okay, let's do another receive. Why am I not pressing? Oh my god. Why not press it? Oh, mission complete, 2 stars. We got 3 in the last one, but still good. Okay, that's an upgrade. Okay, another upgrade. Oh, let's get the tokens. Bananas. Ooh. Okay. Right, let's get into it. Till that goes. Okay, guys, we're on the 9 minutes. He's keep freaking out. Stop freaking out. And another perfect backflip from the Minion. Comment down below if you want him to be Gru, Steward, or Bob. But that was just Bob there, I think. Yeah, Bob. He's just standing there. Okay, guys. Let's go. Okay. Another electric shock. Cannot believe it. Let's do a receive. Okay, he's right back down. I did not get shocked that time, but I don't get it how he gets shocked when the Minion is twice the size smaller than that. Okay, right. 5 minutes is nearly up. We've got about 34 seconds left. Ooh, banana vacuum. Yes, we've got a banana vacuum again. Swing, swing. Backflip. Oh. Comment down below if one day he should do a front flip. Oh, that was sweet going through the lasers. Okay guys, we've got about 15 seconds left. Okay. The time is up. So guys, let's go back to the home page and do. Okay guys, hopefully it's the right way what my screen is. Boom, it is. Let's go. Right, motorbike game. Okay, my name is you, and I'll play it again. Colin, Janie, Twice, and Jug. Right, here we go. Me racing. In 3, 2, 1, go. Going, come on, you go. Quickly. Boom, let's go. Hopefully I'll win this game. To win this game, you have to like and subscribe. Oh, did you see that guy there? He did a front flip off the bike. 40 meters, 41. Oh guys, I won. So you did say you subscribe if I win. So guys, I have won. So you have to subscribe. Right. And shout out to Lexi Brown, Emmy's Vlogs, and Notify99 and Sam Houghton's Shorts. So let's go into another game. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Okay, there we go. Right, another game. Oh, on the pitch. I don't know how hot this would be. I don't know, because this looks like it's in the desert. Comment down below where do you think this is. The desert, Australia. I have no idea where this is. Or could this be a made-up place in cartoons? Oh, that was it. Up the ramp and back down. Boom. Up there. Oh, no. And yeah, it's gonna happen. Alright, keep on racing. Oh, and then at the end. Ooh! And what a smooth landing. Right, another game. Took me 32 seconds, I think. Right. Here we go. What? Oh, the bike's really up there. Now we're going. Okay, so we've been on for about 30 minutes nearly. 12 minutes and 56 seconds. Oh, what a fail for me. Up there. Oh, and that should be a fail. Wait, what? How did you land that so smooth? Oh, it could be a yellow. Could be a heel. We'll definitely look at the boy and another fail. Why is this guy so bad? Oh, 30 seconds. Let's try beat 30 seconds. On the next game. So let's play a game. So we're watching this. What we just done. Okay, so this is a good game what we just done. And then a fail, of course, like we did in that last match. So this is a review of the last match. Okay, right, here's the real match now, what we're doing now. So it's not video anymore, this is real match now. Right. Oh, fail. How many fails have I done today? Probably lots. Oh, that's good. There, perfect. Oh, what a fail. Up there and finish up. Got 29 seconds. 996. So I beat my score, so you have to subscribe. Okay, going down the ramp. If I beat my score, I have to like the video and hit notifications. Oh, up the ramp. Boom. And the fail. I don't think I'm gonna do it now. Okay, fail then. Down in a big. Oh, I thought I was gonna do fail then. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna beat the score in 24 seconds. I'm not gonna do it now. Just off the bike. But guys, make sure to subscribe. It's got 30 seconds. 27, 277. But on the other match, I got what was it? 29, 997. So guys. That's good. This might be the last match. I don't know how much time we got left. Oh, bad. Bad for 13 seconds, 15 seconds in, about 10 seconds left of the match, I don't know. Oh, boom, boom. You do not mess up any more in this match. I want to win. Oh, no. Only I'm tired of this, to be fair. Good crap. Oh, 30 seconds, 234. Oh my god, guys, the other one was 235, but that's the end of the video. What to do is still and rock and roll. Let me just find to end the end of the video. Here we go. Ending the video after all this time. Here we go. That's the end, guys. Rock and roll and peace. Peace on it, guys. Rock and roll.